Hey there, folks! Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of dehumidifiers and their role in the textile industries of Bangladesh. So, let's get started. Dehumidifiers play a crucial role in the textile and garments industry by maintaining optimal humidity levels for both machinery and material handling. Here's a breakdown of their key uses, along with data-driven insights. Uses of dehumidifiers in textile and garment industry. 1. Maintaining yarn and fabric quality. Problem: high humidity causes cotton, wool, and synthetic fibers to absorb moisture, leading to dimensional changes, weakening, and mildew. Solution: dehumidifiers maintain relative humidity RH around 45-55, which preserves fiber strength and elasticity. Data: a 10% rise in RH can increase fabric moisture content by 6-10, affecting texture and weight uniformity. 2. Preventing corrosion in machinery. Problem: textile machines like spinning frames, looms, and dyeing equipment are vulnerable to rust and wear under humid conditions. Solution: industrial dehumidifiers help maintain RH below 50%, extending equipment lifespan and reducing maintenance costs. Data: corrosion rates increase by 300% when RH exceeds 60%, according to studies on industrial environments. 3. Enhancing dyeing and finishing process. Problem: dyeing processes are highly sensitive to moisture. Inconsistent RH causes uneven dye absorption. Solution: controlled humidity ensures uniform color distribution and reduced fabric reprocessing. Data: up to 15% dye wastage can be saved by maintaining RH at optimal levels in dyeing rooms. 4. Preventing mold and bacteria growth. Problem: stored garments and raw materials can become breeding grounds for fungi and bacteria in high humidity. Solution: dehumidifiers reduce RH below 50%, preventing microbial growth and ensuring hygiene compliance. Data: mold growth risk rises rapidly when RH exceeds 65% for over 48 hours. 5. Improving worker comfort and productivity. Problem: excessive humidity causes worker fatigue, discomfort, and reduced productivity in enclosed workspaces. Solution: climate-controlled environments increase worker efficiency and reduce absenteeism. Data: a 30% increase in productivity has been recorded in textile factories using proper air dehumidification systems. Summary table. Function: target RH impact, preserve fabric or yarn quality 45-55. Stable weight, no mildew, better finish, protect machinery 50% less corrosion. Longer life, improved dyeing process 50, uniform color. Fewer defects, avoid mold or bacterial growth 50%. Hygiene compliance. No product loss, enhance worker conditions 45-55, higher efficiency and comfort. In the bustling textile industries of Bangladesh, dehumidifiers play a crucial role in maintaining optimal conditions for the production of high-quality textiles. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world around us. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.